AIC T-Hub Foundation has launched the second cohort of the AIC Lab to Market program. It will be a 16-week program which is designed to help researchers and innovators transform lab discoveries into market-ready ventures. After Cohort 1's success in 50 market connections, 5 academia tie-ups and 4 provisional patents, Cohort 2 focuses on the 19 startups spanning some of India's most dynamic and high-impact sectors and developing breakthrough solutions in mobility, SaaS, HR tech, health tech, sustainability, enterprise tech, EdTech, and Agri-tech. The startups include Meet Conacy, Trade Layout, David AI, Spleen AI, Entheory AI, Cardiopulmo AI, Inferno Energy, GPU Tech Private Ltd. Arc, Mehendi Bot, Jhuppi Bai, Vacocloin, Aptivision Technologies, Art Legal, AG View 360, OroFYN, Quello, Vidyu Dashrobe. Lab to Market structured mentoring, go-to-market guidance, IP support, and investor access enable researchers to validate ideas, refine business models, and accelerate commercialization. The cohort showcases a wide spectrum of deep tech innovation, from an AI-powered clinical decision support system that integrates ECG, X-ray, and lab data into an explainable risk summary for frontline clinicians, even in low connectivity settings. It caters to a patent-pending context layer for AI models that reduces context tokens by up to 90%, to a novel food processing innovation that addresses post-harvest losses by converting indigenous crops into healthy, shelf-stable snacks. Collectively, these solutions underscore the breadth of India's research pipeline and the growing convergence of science, technology, and entrepreneurship driving national innovation. According to Rajesh Kumar Adla, CEO of AIC T-Hub Foundation, it is aiming to collaborate with MNCs and investors to validate and transition ideas into market-ready solutions. Lab to Market stands out because it gives scientists and researchers a launchpad to turn their discoveries into viable businesses. Cohort 1 showed what's possible, and Cohort 2 is all set to raise the bar further. Cohort 2 brings research-led startups across AI diagnostics, clean energy, automation, governance tech, and new age commerce. Over the 16-week program, Lab to Market will connect them with compliance partners, certification pathways, and early adopters, helping them run pilots, secure certifications, and prepare for scale. The cohort's progress will be measured through industry partnerships, research-to-market conversions, and investment opportunities generated. By working closely with mentors and ecosystem partners, Lab to Market strengthens T-Hub's mission to turn strong research into scalable products and reinforces Telangana's position as a leading hub for deep tech and research-led entrepreneurship.